My name is Garrett Hinkle. I'm here at Matra Tent Show with Dura Trac Flooring in Greenville, South Carolina. We're releasing our new panel washer. It is an awesome alternative. It makes washing portable flooring, tables, and chairs a lot more efficient versus having to wash the top side and the bottom side. You just load a panel straight in and it washes the top and bottom in about 30 seconds per panel, which gives you about a truckload to a truck and a half a day. It's powered by a gas-operated power washer, and it's a great way to get the best quality out of your portable flooring to make sure it's as spotless as it can be.